This video explains how you can install the jmeter, the performance testing tool in Mac using the terminal. So open the terminal and then execute this command: brew install jmeter. Brew install jmeter. This is the command that you have to execute. Brew install jmeter, and then jmeter will be installed. By default, jmeter will be installed in this directory usr slash local slash seller dot slash jmeter. And once this command is executed, if you want to use the jmeter, you can use this command jmeter directly right into the terminal like this, and then jmeter UI will be displayed over there. You can create a new plan and execute your performance tests over there. From here it is the same UI that you have got for the jmeter that runs on other operating systems like Linux or Windows. So from here you can create a new plan, components like threads and configuration elements, listeners, preprocessor, post-processor, assertions, and the same here basically. So that's how you can work with the jmeter. So first of all, you have to install it using this command brew install jmeter, and then you can directly use this jmeter command directly into the terminal. To check the jmeter version, you can use this command jmeter-v. You can see that this version is 5.0. Thanks for watching this video.